How to change iPhone photos from portrait to landscape. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate and crop your photo into a landscape orientation. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. If you want to keep the original photo unchanged, you can duplicate the photo before editing it. Open the photo, tap the three-dot menu, then choose Duplicate. You can edit the duplicate instead. Find and open the portrait photo you want to change. Next, tap Edit in the top right corner. Now, tap the crop icon at the bottom of the screen. To rotate the photo from portrait to landscape, tap the Rotate button. Each tap rotates the image by 90 degrees. Keep rotating the photo until it appears in the landscape orientation you want. Once you're happy with the result, tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed a portrait photo to landscape on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.